Yes, finding switch boxes with multiple circuits sharing a common neutral is unfortunately not uncommon. It's a violation of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, which mandates that each circuit must have its own dedicated neutral conductor. There are several reasons why this improper wiring might occur. Firstly, a lack of knowledge. Some individuals performing electrical work may be unaware of the specific NEC requirements regarding separate neutral conductors. Secondly, laziness can also be a factor. Tying all the neutrals together might seem quicker and easier than running individual conductors for each circuit. Thirdly, a lack of materials on hand can contribute. An electrician, in some instances, might run short on neutral conductors and resort to tying all the neutrals together simply to complete the task at hand. Whatever the underlying reason, this practice of tying all neutrals together is a dangerous one that can lead to serious consequences, including electrical fires. When multiple circuits share a single neutral conductor, the electrical current from all those circuits combines and flows through that single neutral wire. This combined current can easily overload the neutral conductor, causing it to overheat significantly. This overheating is a major fire hazard. If you come across a switch box wired in this manner, with multiple circuits sharing a common neutral, it's imperative that you correct the problem without delay. The proper solution is to run a separate, dedicated neutral conductor for each individual circuit present in the box. And you are correct in your assessment, this isn't just a local issue. It's a widespread problem encountered throughout the country. In fact, it ranks as one of the most frequently observed electrical code violations that electrical inspectors routinely uncover during their inspections. If you have any concerns whatsoever about the safety and integrity of the electrical system in your building, it's highly recommended to have it thoroughly inspected by a qualified and licensed electrician. They can assess the system, identify any potential hazards, and ensure that it complies with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards.